Thinking about setting up a company in Dubai, but not just a company, a serious international credible one, then you have probably heard of DIFC. What exactly is DIFC? Is it only for banks? Or is it expensive? And how does the actual setup works there? So this video, I'll answer you all of your queries. So DIFC stands for Dubai International Financial Center. So it's one of the #1 global financial center in the Middle East. But here is what makes DIFC different. It's not just a free zone. It operates under the own independent legal system based on English common law. So it has its own code, its own independent regulator, which is DFSA, and it owns a legal regulatory framework. DIFC is designed primarily for financial service firms, asset managements, wealth management companies, FinTech companies, investment firms, insurance and reinsurance firm, and holding companies. Now let's talk about how exactly the process works in DIFC. First, you need to understand what type of business you're planning on to run. Are you offering regulated financial services, or are you setting up a company, something is not regulated like a holding company or a consulting firm? This matters because your activity is regulated. You will need approvals from DFSA, which is DIFC's independent financial regulator. Once your activity is clear, the next step is to submit your initial application. This isn't just a form. You usually need a detailed business plan, shareholders information, financial projections, compliance structure, detail about your senior management. If your business is regulated, then DFSA is carefully reviewing your applications and everything. They assess your risk framework, capital requirements, and government structure. This is a serious due diligence process. After approval, your company is legally incorporated. You will be signing incorporations documents, pay the relevant fees, and if required, a deposit of minimum share capital as well. One important thing to remember, DIFC requires a physical office within DIFC itself. It's a premium financial district, so a proper office setup is a part of the structure. Finally, once your license is issued, you will move forward with visa application, corporate bank account opening, finalizing compliance, and other infrastructure systems. The key takeaway: DIFC setup is structured, regulated, and detail-oriented, which is exactly why it carries such a strong credibility. So that's what DIFC really is. A globally respected financial center with its own legal and regulatory system. So, if you're planning to set up your company in DIFC, reach out to us for the professional consultation. We will guide you through the step-by-step. If you found this helpful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more practical business insight in the UAE.